one of 2 of my birthday presents. Oh, oh my gosh, she sprinkled rose petals. Oh, and a little message. Oh, I hope this mystery box finds you well. Sending all of our loves and best wishes. Oh. I got a necklace. I don't know how to open this without like breaking anything. I got a necklace, I got a bracelet, and then I ordered a mystery box. Oh. What? Message 2 saying thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay, what do we have? I love her wrapping. The wrapping is beautiful. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Okay. Okay, so I've got my pearl necklace. I got a pearl necklace. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. And then I got I didn't realize how huge this was. My carnelian bracelet. So I got that as well. I wanted like the medium-sized balls, but they only had the big balls. The big balls, yes. Those are like the 2 main things I was like, yes, I need and I want. Oh, I have a lot of crystals apparently. I have a lot of crystals. Oh my god. Orange calcite, pyrite, pearl, sunstone, lepidolite, selenite, and green onyx. I don't actually have any of these. I have a lot of crystals, and I don't have any of the ones that she's just given me, I'm gonna guess. I'm not quite sure. I can't see that right here though. And the cards of all the crystals. So this is the pearl necklace. It's the carnelian that we've got. Boop, boop. And then, oh, we've got little affirmations. That's really cute. What's this? Simply remove the bung, put the lid back on, tip upside down to allow the oil to absorb into the cork. Hang it from your desired place and enjoy the fragrance. Oh, that's cute. Oh, okay. Very nice. Cool. So we got oil, that's Thai, lime, mango, and then we got these guys. Oh, there's little crystals in here too. There's little crystals and rose. Okay, we gotta open these. But we've got little affirmations, so 24 thought-provoking quotations. Oh, and it comes in a little stand. Oh my god. This is adorable. This is literally gonna sit up on my bench. But it's got little stands. It's cute. That's fucking adorable. Oh, you're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. Oh, that's beautiful. We've got the sunstone. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like a mysterious little package. Now I'm gonna have to guess what these all are. This is lepidolite. Oh, it's so pretty though. Like, look at that. Oh, it's like rough cut too, not polished. Green onyx. It's so beautiful. Orange calcite. This guy. This is the one where I'm like a bit. No, I know. This is pyrite, and then selenite, which is this guy. Completely different from quartz, by the way. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. I have a lot to unpack here. I feel like I should have done the $100 mysterious box. I feel like that would have been the ultimate. Also, I just got my shoes finally arrived. My shoes arrived and I'm like so excited for these. Oh my god. Windsor Smith. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh, sorry. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a size 9. So, let's try this on. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are beautiful. These are, oh my god. Oh please, just, they fit perfectly. If I can untie them. They fit perfectly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, catch me out on the town tonight with my new shoes. Oh my god. They have improved their shoelaces, I'll give you that. They have improved their shoelaces. Oh, baby. And I just realized they have like the little Windsor Smith logo on like the back and on the side. Oh, this is beautiful. Ugh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want more shoes. Oh my god. They're so comfortable too. Hold on. Hold on. I need to make myself a coffee. Hold on. Let me just clean up my mess. Okay. So, I've had these boots for like years. They're still got wear in them. They're not really past their time, but they just, it's hit or miss with what they suit. And now we've got these bad boys. Like, yeah, I'm fucking bomb, and now I want to get more shoes because I'm in love with these. Oh. I have half a couch sitting